body by bad marketing in the production of their own breast milk. Their marketing strategies are such that they lead to informing women in such a way that the flow of breast milk is decreased. I'll just explain to you in a minute how. Second, they undermine women's confidence in use of homemade family foods, and promotion, they end up promoting the processed foods. So that is another thing they do. How they do it? Through the clever marketing strategies. Now first one is like the simple thing which they used 50 years back, they continue to use even today. If you don't have enough milk, don't worry, we have an alternative. So don't feel guilty about it. So we have an alternative. So what is this? The food, if a baby gets food from you, we have food here, so don't worry about that. But there is a very hidden and clever message in this which actually touches the psyche of women. Breastfeeding is controlled by hormones, and many of you might know there is a hormone called oxytocin which works on breastfeeding also. It's not just works on the uterus while delivering a baby, it works on the breastfeeding also. The human milk is controlled by oxytocin. The flow of human milk is controlled by oxytocin. And the flow, the oxytocin reflex is controlled by the state of the mind of the woman. When the baby sucks on the breast, it starts the oxytocin, but it is the state of the mind which controls the flow of the milk. If a mother has a pain, anxiety, doubt or anything, the flow of the milk reduces. So if somebody induces a doubt on her ability, if somebody, even a brother or a sister or a doctor or anybody tells, oh, feels you don't have enough milk. So if she puts a doubt on her mind, the flow reduces. Even if it is a temporary flow reduction, if the baby now breastfeeds, the baby doesn't get enough milk, the baby cries naturally. Right? When the baby cries, the mother is worried, anxiety, more anxiety. Mother gives a bottle, the baby is satisfied now. So then it becomes a vicious cycle. That vicious cycle induces more power towards the bottle feeding because now you are much more clearer. So that is what industry likes. So that's where the industry scientists, I always say, they were much clever than us. So they utilize the value of oxytocin than us. I continue to take that position. We haven't yet utilized oxytocin's value as on today, as much as we should have. That's one. Second is the use of foods after 6 months. So first 6 months, as optimally when we say babies should get only mother's milk, exclusive breastfeeding. But after 6 months, babies need solid foods. Now, along with breastfeeding, but those solid foods should be ideally what you eat. So what you eat is what you eat, your home solid foods. Part of that may be in a different shape, or maybe firstly soft foods and slowly they can increase. So, but industry is interested in only processed foods. So their advertisements, if you find, they will subtly lead to you don't have time. You have to process food. So those advertisements will lead to somewhere undermining your ability to either produce those homemade foods, or you don't have time, you can't cook, or you don't know how to do it. So like that. So there will be some kind of, so they will be different in different countries, but they are very clever at that. So it's all marketing gimmicks and strategies which lead to that. So these are the important things which I wanted to share, how direct or indirect marketing actually lead to undermining. So And now the whole world knows what processed food, how processed food damages health of the babies. The processed food is directly linked to ultimately the more processed food a person consumes, whether it's a baby or child or growing, it is directly linked to the non-communicable diseases like diabetes, heart disease. It's directly linked to the consumption of processed food. The more you consume, the more you get non-communicable disease. So it's very well published data. WHO clearly documents that. So the lesser you consume, the better you are. So it's better one is away from the processed